If you've ever taken a screenshot using the tools built into your operating system or web browser, you're already aware of the limitations. Fortunately, there are free screenshot programs that are more feature-rich and can help you take your screenshots to the next level. In this top 5, I'll list the best free screenshots and computer software, all of which are available for Windows and, with a few exceptions, can also be installed on Mac OS. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification so that, whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Starting off our countdown, and number 5 is Monosnap. With this program and the others coming up, unlike the screenshot tools built into many web browsers and browser extensions, you're not limited to just what is located inside your browser window. Monosnap is easy to use for beginners. It will let you capture your entire screen, a selected area, or any open window, and it's great for productivity with built-in editing and annotation tools. When you're done editing your screenshot, you have the choice to save it to your computer, share it on Facebook or Twitter, or upload it to Monosnap, Google Drive, Dropbox, and many others. To take a screenshot, you could click their logo in the lower right of the screen or click the Monosnap icon in the notification area of your taskbar. Your choices are Capture Full Screen or Capture Area. Let's go with Capture Area. Just left-click and drag the area you'd like to capture and then let go. To capture an entire window, close this one out, click the icon, select Capture Area, and simply just click inside the window. Below the screenshot, you'll find the annotation tools to mark up your image. Monosnap is completely free for non-commercial single users. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and now has an extension for the Chrome web browser. Coming in at number 4 is TinyTake. This is what I've mentioned before in our roundup of the best free video editing software. It's also quite useful for capturing anything on your screen for any situation. In addition to the various ways to take a screenshot, it includes a robust toolset and their built-in editor to enhance your image that can be shared with anyone you want. Unlike our number 5 pick, TinyTake includes a graphical user interface and more ways to capture your screen. When you select Capture, your choices are Captured Region, Window, Full Screen Image from Webcam, a Fixed Region, an image from your clipboard, or create a new image in their editor. TinyTake has a good set of tools to edit your images with various shapes and rotations, special effects, and you can change the colors and formatting. On their basic plan, it's free for personal use, but there is a limit of 2 GB of storage on their servers. Otherwise, screenshots can be saved locally to your computer, or you can upgrade with plans starting at $29.95 per year. TinyTake is available for both Windows and Mac. Up next is Greenshot. This open source program for several years was a favorite for many people when doing a screen capture. For those of you needing just a simple tool, it's still one of the best to use Greenshot. To do a screen grab, go to the system tray of your taskbar and click the Greenshot icon. You'll find the typical choices to capture a region, window, and a full screen. Let's do a quick one right now. After taking your screenshot, you have several options. You could save to your computer, copy it to the clipboard, open it in a Microsoft Office program, or open it in the Greenshot image editor, which is what I'll do right now. Along the left, you'll find the tools to add shapes, text, and crop your image. If you ever need help using Greenshot, they have a handy help section on their side. It's available for both Windows and Mac. On Windows, it's completely free. Even though it hasn't been updated in the last few years, it still works great on Mac. It's $1.99 in the App Store and still receives frequent updates. Our number 2 screenshot tool is PicPix. Only touts itself as the all-in-one design tool for everyone. And that's pretty much true, as long as you're a Windows user that wants more than what the built-in snipping tool or Snip and Sketch have to offer. There are nearly a dozen ways to capture your screen, including the ability to take a screenshot of an entire page using scrolling window. Also included is a color picker, a pixel ruler, protractor, magnifier, and a whiteboard. You'll notice when you first launch PicPix that it has a similar look to programs in the Microsoft Office suite. The layout is user-friendly with the screen capture tools on the left with the accessories on the right. Earlier I mentioned scrolling window. While it does work, it's mind-numbingly slow when compared with our number 1 pick. Let's do a screenshot using the freehand tool to draw the area we'd like to capture of this gorgeous vehicle. Not so easy using the mouse. In the image editor, you get more of that Microsoft Office aesthetic with the familiar ribbon at the top with an excellent variety of tools. And if you go to the Share tab, you can upload to one of the services listed like Dropbox and Google Drive and share it to one of the social networks attached to an email message or insert a copy to Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. PicPic is free for personal home use. For professionals, there's a one-time fee of just $29.99 that lets you use it in a commercial environment. Coming in at number 1 is ShareX. Not only is it the absolute best screenshot utility, it's also a completely free open source and light on system resources. Available for Windows 7 or newer, it's the most feature-packed with any free screen capture tool that you can get. For power users, it includes more than a dozen ways to capture your screen. Could give away one of our tricks. One method we use quite a bit on this channel is the scrolling CAPTCHA to get the illusion that we're scrolling down the page. After you have taken your screenshot, you can enhance it with their built-in editor but several tools to choose from. Then you can upload it to more than 4 dozen sites including Google Photos, Twitter, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and many others. If you're someone that uses keyboard shortcuts, when you launch ShareX, you'll see handy shortcuts in the main window that you can use. With so many choices, a lot of people have told me that they find ShareX intimidating and not easy to use, so I'll keep this simple. To do the screenshot, simply go to Capture and select the type of screenshot that you'd like to do, then do your screenshot. As featured in our best free screen recorders video, you also have the option to record your screen. Once you become comfortable doing a screenshot, let's ShareX here on the left. Check out the numerous tools available. There's more than a dozen here. There's a color picker, a ruler, and a video converter. Let's now do a quick screenshot of allegedly the most evil and narcissistic human on our planet by going to Capture and selecting Region. Quite honestly, I'm not even sure that Jeff Bezos is human. He more looks like an alien life form. After doing your screenshot, you're at the top. You have more than a dozen tools to edit your image. Thanks for watching. All links are in the description. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. What is your favorite screenshot tool? Let us know about it in the comments. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out our latest top 5s and other tech related stuff here on Mr. Lim.